Total station surveyors in Dankaur are professionals who specialize in using total station instruments for surveying and mapping purposes. Total station surveying is a widely used technique that combines electronic distance measurement (EDM) with a theodolite to measure angles and distances with high precision. Dankaur, a town located in Gautam Buddh Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh, India, is home to several skilled and experienced total station surveyors. Total station surveyors in Dankaur play a crucial role in various industries, including construction, civil engineering, and land surveying. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the terrain, which helps in the planning and execution of construction projects. These professionals are equipped with the knowledge and skills to operate total station instruments effectively and efficiently. One of the key advantages of using total station surveyors in Dankaur is their ability to save time and effort in the surveying process. With the use of advanced total station instruments, they can quickly and accurately measure angles, distances, and elevations. This allows them to complete surveys much faster compared to traditional surveying methods. Additionally, total station instruments eliminate the need for manual calculations, reducing the chances of errors in the survey data. Total station surveyors in Dankaur also offer services related to SCON design. SCON design involves the creation of detailed architectural drawings and plans for small structures, such as garden walls, fences, and gates. These designs are essential for ensuring proper construction and aesthetics. Total station surveyors use their expertise in measuring and mapping to create precise SCON designs that meet the requirements of their clients. Overall, total station surveyors in Dankaur are essential for ensuring accurate measurements and efficient planning in various projects. The use of total station instruments for surveying and mapping tasks is a specialty of total station surveyors in Dankaur. Total station surveying is a popular method that uses a theodolite and electronic distance measuring (EDM) to measure angles and distances with extreme precision. Total station surveyors with expertise and experience can be found in Dankaur, a town in the Gautam Buddh Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh, India. Construction, civil engineering, and land surveying are just a few of the industries in Dankaur where total station surveyors are essential. In order to design and carry out construction projects, it is their responsibility to measure and map the terrain precisely. These experts are prepared with the knowledge and abilities needed to operate total station instruments successfully and effectively. The ability to reduce time and effort throughout the surveying process is one of the main benefits of employing total station surveyors in Dankaur. They can swiftly and precisely measure angles, distances, and elevations by using sophisticated total station devices. Compared to more conventional surveying techniques, they can now finish